British Ministers of Parliament have favoured the United Kingdom government's immigration bill, which directs to end European Union freedom of movement rules in the United Kingdom, one of the important elements that led to Brexit. The action has now cleared all phases in the House of Commons, after being passed by 342 votes to 248 in 30th of June 2020. It is now due before the House of Lords, which is the upper chamber.
The UK
points-based
immigration system.
ending free movement.
But change is coming. Change is coming.
Today our video is about Ministers of Parliament passing immigration bill for termination of European Union free movement in the United Kingdom. The regulation terminates rules that have aided millions of European Union citizens to reside and work in the United Kingdom, and will, as an alternative, provide equal rights to individuals from outside the bloc. The ruling Conservative Party stated in a tweet, "We are ending free movement, so individuals can come in the United Kingdom based on their skills, not where they are from." The bill enables the United Kingdom government's strategies for a new points-based immigration system without providing information. The goal is to present the new scheme in January 2021, after the expiry of the post-Brexit transition phase at the end of the year 2020. This retains most provisions from the United Kingdom's European Union membership prepared for now, including the free movement of European Union workers, although the United Kingdom left the European Union on January 31, 2020. Policymakers from the opposition, Labour Party, described the regulation as punitive and discriminatory, not in favour of migrant workers. Diane Abbott, a London Minister of Parliament and former Shadow Home Secretary, exclaimed it in a tweet, "Institutionally racist." But Priti Patel, the United Kingdom Home Secretary, implied that the result of the 2019 general election exposed the public supported the United Kingdom government's plans. Patel informed the Parliament, "Last year the British people sent a clear idea that they desired to end free movement, and our landmark immigration bill provides exactly that." Labour voting against this bill demonstrates that, while their leadership may have altered, their purpose to refuse the will of the people has not. Apprehensions were also expressed over the rights of unaccompanied child refugees and those being detained at the immigration centres in the United Kingdom. A Labour modification pursuing to resume existing arrangements permitting unaccompanied child refugees to be reunified with close relatives in the United Kingdom was overpowered, in spite of support from some Conservatives. A United Kingdom Home Office minister mentioned, "The United Kingdom government was dedicated to the principle of family reunion and backing vulnerable children, and was working with the European Union on new mutual arrangements." If you liked today's video, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.